Hey everyone, long time no speak. See, it's been almost 2 months. I wanted to do the Scooby-Doo and then do the holiday Foxtrot, but Christmas is, let me see, 3 days away. Christmas Day anyway. So I said I'm going to use the Foxtrot. So I decided to use this pretty frosty green on the lids, and I just had some black already on my brush, so I just did black as a base color. By the time this is up, it might be Christmas Eve. Alright, I'm going to press it on first. Since I have deep set eyes, everything goes on the bottom. That's just how it is. That is a beautiful green. I have been so busy just trying to do some things around the house that I really wanted to get done. Things, my body's just falling apart. And I think that, when you're in a car accident, I think that just really just messes you up, I was in a car accident about 20 years ago that messed up my back. If you guys have been with me from the beginning, I have fibromyalgia, and it's been kicking my butt lately. And I guess because I'm trying to get stuff done around the house, having to drive here and there. Wednesday, I think, was the first day I actually took a day for me. Well, weekends I rest a lot, but Wednesday I really just took a day for me. All right. Yeah, I decided to go with the Sugarplum Whiskers, because that was the most Christmassy palette. So I'm gonna go in with this this like burgundy-ish palette or color right here. So yeah, the last 2 months, and one of the other things about that is my husband had to take his vacation time and use it or lose it, like every year. He works hard, and then he doesn't want to take days off, and then at the end he's scrambling to take the days off before he loses them. So instead of taking a full week and coming back to chaos, he decided to take Thursday and Fridays off. So I only had 3 days in the week to do stuff at home. And then we would do something on, even Thursday. I told him I can't, I had so many things I had to do. So we just would do something on Friday. Yeah, that's why it's been kind of difficult to actually sit down and do a video. So the news, if you don't follow Mark Wayne stuff, like, Black Radiance, Physicians Formula, Wet n Wild. Physicians Formula just brought out their New Year stuff already. So that's out. Wet n Wild still hasn't. But I think last year it didn't come out till like February. Of course, I'm going to take this pretty like white gold color right here for the highlight. If you're looking for cute stocking stuffers, Sally has this new brand. I think it's called Blossom Glow. Glow Blossom. It's like this is a Christmas tree. And it comes with a bunch of little, because I like these little ones to get. Since my eyes are so deep set, it gets in between here when I'm trying to do my under eye. Oh wow, I forgot to do that. Okay. Alright. Concealer. I love it. My eyes are so deep set that the big ones, they can ruin my makeup, especially my contouring. So I love those little ones. Oh wow, I put a lot. It got on the purple part. Or the burgundy part. But that's okay. We'll just go over it. So yeah. So they're really pushing the Marilyn Monroe. I also found out that at first I thought it was lighting, but some girl did a video. I think I'm gonna go in with this might be glitter. I'm not sure. Some girl did a video for Wet n Wild and they posted it, and her Marilyn Monroe palette came with a different color, just like the Pampered eyeshadows from the new year this year. Yeah, I'm just putting that in there. Her palette, instead of having that champagne-y peachy color, nude color, it came with like a very coppery, glittery color. I just found that out this like 2 days ago, I think. And yesterday, the only place I know that you can actually look at the palette is Walgreens, but that's long gone. So I'm not gonna go crazy like I usually do. I hope maybe I'll find it, but I don't know. I'm tempted to put in an Amazon order and see if theirs come with it, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna be wasting my money just looking for that one color, but I hope I'll find it somewhere. Anyway, so that's frustrating. This one is soft pink. I'm gonna use the brush that it came with. Let's do this. Oh, okay. I thought it might not show, but it showed. The one that came with that, if I'm not mistaken, is soft gold. So let's try that. And then I'll do my lips on video. Definitely not as powdery. I'm having a little bit of a, there you go, hard time. Ooh, look at that, look at that. You see that from outer space, man. Alright. Let me clean up, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Right. I thought it was going to be... It's sheer. Okay. So, just wanted to tell you the rest of the stuff I did with my makeup. I used this really dark brown to set my eyeliner on the bottom. And then I mixed these two colors, the beige and the white, because the white's kind of sheer. It's a white gold. I put that in the inner corners. I used the black liner, and I used their brushes, which is nice. They're soft. They're nice. Let's see. Yeah, and that was it. I had gosh, for years from Sally's, they discontinued a line. I can't remember the name of it. If I do, I will put it here. But they discontinued it. It was a lavender color, and I put that in my hair because the other colors were washing out, and it faded to a blue. And I put the rest of my Piggy Paints hair color in my conditioner. That's how I do it. And I don't know if they still sell it, but that is really good. I put that in my conditioner, and so every time I condition my hair, it gets more and more lavender. So I really, really like that. So yeah, just wanted to do a holiday look. I know it's been 2 months before the holidays, and I will put a link down soon about you know, my other channel, and you know, you could check me out there. I have two with the same name, so I'm not 100% sure which one it is. it's spelled a little bit differently. So, but I will put a link to that because I think starting January, if I most likely I will do a look because I really wanted to do looks with the new Wet and Wild. You can check me out there, and I'll be posting probably old videos there as well. Okay. Have a happy holidays. Love you. Mwah.